So here's how to add your phone number on Steam. As you can see, we're now in the Steam homepage on the PC. In the homepage, go to the top right corner and click on your account. Then, select Account Details. Here, you can view your account details and other account settings. Now, go to the Contact Info section and click on Add a Phone Number. Enter your phone number in international format over here. Then, click on Next. When you click Next, you will receive an SMS code from Steam. Enter the code to verify your number. After the verification is done, your phone number will be connected to Steam. This way, if you ever forget your password, you can use your phone number to get back into your account. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily add your phone number on Steam.